Hello everyone, this is F2L Quick Tips number 2, in which I'll be covering when you have an edge already in the slot, and this set is not reliant on any empty slots, so you can use these at any point in your F2L stage, even on the last slot. So this first case here, this is basically going to hide this corner and bring up this edge all at the same time, and as you can see, this edge is oriented correctly in the slot, and the corner has the cross color facing the side. So you'll see what I'm talking about. So we're going to do 3 moves here that hide the corner and bring up the edge, and then we're going to bring this edge over so that when we bring this layer back down, it pairs this up so that we can just go and insert it. So that's just an R, U prime, R prime that pairs these up, and then a U2, and then a R, U prime, R prime to insert it. So that's fairly straightforward. And also, you do not need to do this algorithm if you're facing this way. This is just designed to save a cube rotation if you are in this orientation, so that you don't have to do this and then solve this normally. So once again, it is R, U prime, R prime, U2, R, U prime, R prime. And as you can see, those 3 moves at the beginning and the end are the same. So that's really easy to remember. So fast, it looks like this. And the reverse of that, or the mirror, is once again, we're just going to hide this corner, bring up this edge at the same time, do a U move there to bring over the edge, and then that L move to pair it up, a U2, and then an L prime U L to insert it. So with notation, that's L prime U L, U2, L prime U L. Alright, so the next set here is working with some sledgehammers now, and what that does, it's going to avoid some cube rotations for us, so that's real handy. So the only tricky ones about these next cases is that it's hard to figure out how to orient everything. So you can figure out how to orient this one by doing an F move, and then you should be able to do 1 move on the side to orient them correctly, or not orient them, just pair them up. So this case here is the edge is flipped in the slot and the corner is still facing the side. So by doing a sledgehammer, we're basically just going to do this so we can pair this up, but of course it's not going to have all this still sideways. So if you don't know, a sledgehammer is R prime, F, R, F prime. And as you can see, now our edge is up here, so we can pair it. So now just pair it up normally with a U2 and then an R, U, R prime. So once again, R prime, F, R, F prime, U2, R, U, R prime. And fast, that looks like this. And the reverse of that, once again, is doing an F move so we can pair it up like that. Another easy way to remember it is the left side one, where you're using your left hand, the edge piece is on the left side. And of course, same goes for the right side, the edge would be here. So once again, we're going to do a sledgehammer just reversed. So L, F prime, L prime, F, and then a U2, and then a L prime, U prime, L to insert it. And fast, it looks like this. And the last 2 here. Oops, these are set up wrong. Alright, so same thing where the edge is flipped in the slot, but the corner this time, the cross color is facing up. And really these are, you don't necessarily need to know both, because by doing a U2 you can change it. So as you can see, this is the mirror and this is the normal. Sorry, this is the mirror and this is the normal, but I can just make this the same as the mirror by doing a U2. So it doesn't really make a difference, but it is useful to know both so you can save yourself a setup move sometimes. So normally you would maybe pair this up like this, take it out, do some rotations and whatever, and then pair it, but that takes a cube rotation and this way doesn't by using a sledgehammer. So by using a sledgehammer we are actually going to pair these up. So make sure you have it in this orientation, and we're going to do a sledgehammer, R prime, F, R, F prime. As you can see, that pairs it up. So those first two moves there pair it up, second two moves bring it back out, and so you can just insert it with a R, U prime, R prime. So once again, R prime, F, R, F prime, R, U prime, R prime. Alright, so fast it looks like this. Nope, I did that wrong, sorry. Alright, I'll do the next one. So L, F prime, L prime, F, L prime, U, L. So just same as before. Have some trouble with setting up these cases. Alright, so fast, hopefully I don't mess this one up, looks like this. Yay. Alright, so hopefully those cases were helpful to you guys. Really, like I said, the only tricky thing is setting them up. I had quite a few cases in this video, 6 total, 3 ones with 3 mirrors, but there were some more advanced ones in this batch using those sledgehammers in there. So anyways, I hope this helped you guys, and thank you for watching.